Hi everyone, hello. Today I'm at the Hyde Park Lookout, this wonderful building quite close to the Serpentine, and we're making a queer botany experience, Cyanotype, which I never made before. It's the light reactive technique, and basically we just painted these paper pieces of paper with cyanotype liquid, left it to dry, and then added, assortment of leaves and seeds and pre-pressed plant matter, and it's all been pegged into this glass frame, and we're now going to leave it in the sun and see the reaction and the result of this amazing process and technique. And this is the sped up reaction over the course of 1 minute. You can see the paper darken as if by magic. And then we take off the leaf, and where the sun hasn't kissed the paper, we've got this beautiful mark staying. And the next stage is to wash it in water and pop it in a oxidizing bath.
So they would draw artificial plants onto tracing paper, and obviously the black lines then they would put it over this ink, and you can make a copy of it. And it was obviously the printed copy would be blue, and it became known as a blueprint. So this is a blueprint.
Blueprint.
Yeah, and obviously then that became known as just for architectural stuff, but this is the original blueprint.
That's incredible.
Process, and would make books would put seaweed on the paper, would like write the name of it, and then would like make pages of this identification, seaweed identification.
Really experiment with it as well.
So delicate, yeah. And this one is double exposure. So he put this in the glass and then just sat those for the last minute of the exposure process on, actually for the 2 first minutes of the exposure process, and then just removed them. They were just sitting on top of the glass. So we are left with this gorgeous, ghostly effect. So that's the result once it's been washed, and we've got a few more examples here, and that's similar to the first one that I made. I actually use a leafless plant to make it look like roots, and you can see this is Bruno's work. Hi Bruno, come and say hello. Yeah, this is Bruno.
Hello, guys.
Yeah. And where are you?
Oh,
Here. Yeah,
hello.
there we go. That's better. And this is Bruno's other work. I'm loving the very sort of detailed and fine Japanesey grass effect that he's got there, and these bright brush strokes that was totally painted on. So yeah, that was loads of fun, and we'll see you soon. And for now, we say bye.
Bye bye.